Good morning to all the students. My name is Shubhangi Gondane and I am teaching you the subject of mechatronics. Today we study about the introduction of the mechatronics. The mechatronics is useful in our day-to-day life. How the role of the mechatronics is related to the industry. How the role of the mechatronics is related to the applications of the industry. All these are the parameters which is related to the mechatronics. So mechatronics is a synergetic integration of the sensor, actuator, signal conditioning, power electronics, decision and control algorithm and computer hardware and software to manage the complexity, uncertainty and communication in the engineering system. The role of the mechatronic system is the way to communicate or integrate the mechatronic system as well as the mechanical systems. The mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field that refers to the skill sets needed in the contemporary advanced automated manufacturing industry. At the interaction of the mechanics, electronics and computing, mechanics specialized create a similar or smarter system. The word mechatronics was the first introduced by the senior engineer of the Japanese company, that is Ashika, in 1969. The Ashika is the company in which this concept of the mechatronics is implemented in 1969. The mechatronics engineer career is very much substantial and it play a very good role in any future innovation. The mechatronics need C++ in mechatronics and embedded C, it is well and good. The Python and other high level language will be great to learn the computer science with don't be the embedded environment. The MATLAB will be very important and it is very useful for the mathematical calculations. This can consider a robot. The robot, it is one of the good example of the mechatronic system. The other examples like car, automation system, etc. If you are planning to work in the field of designing and developing autonomous machines, then mechatronics will be the best choice for you. The robotics science is a branch of mechanical, electrical and computer engineering, which includes design, construction, operation, information, processing, application of the robot, and it is very good in the computer system. This is the diagram which is attached or which is manufactured with the help of the road racing robot, and this is implemented with various types of the DC motors, wires, connection systems, and it can be work as a robot in racing of the robot. The mechatronics concept designer from the Siemens PLM software is specially designed to speed up the concept of design for the machine tool. The software enables the 3D modeling and simulation of the concept, and it can be used for the multi-body physics and automated system. The solution supported a new approaches for functional machine design. A functional decomposition served as a common language between the discipline, enabling them to work in the parallel from the earlier stage of product development. It also enables the reuse of existing designs. The challenges in the mechatronics design. There are various challenges which is gives the improvement in the mechatronics design. The collaboration is limited because often the department may interface with the another at major meeting and at the end of the project. To identify the various problems in the conceptual phase, the machine should be simulated in advance. If the problem is identified at the first stage, then your machine is stimulated with respect to that problem. This can be quite difficult depending on the complexity of the machine. As a consequent, decisions are frequently made without having the access to all the necessary information. The validation requires a complete prototype. However, this is costly and frequently one is the most useful at every end. The mechatronics and its application. There are various applications of the mechatronics, and these applications are related to the industry, these applications are related to the hospitals, these applications are related to the robot systems, robot manufacturing systems. So, the mechatronics component easily consists of actuator, sensor, input signal conditioning and interface unit, digital control architecture, output signal conditioning and interfacing. There are many advantages of the mechatronic system. The mechatronic system have made it is easy to design, process the product. Application of the mechatronic facilitate the rapid setup and cost effective operation of manufacturing facilities. The mechatronic system help in optimization of performance and quality. The mechatronics engineering is in demand. It is a good concept nowadays in mechanical engineering and electronic engineering that can be advancedly implemented with the students of the mechatronics engineering. These students can do the post graduation in mechatronics engineering. Thus, there is no specific data to track the employment for mechatronics professional. In the recent year, there has been increasing the demand of mechatronic professional, but 5% growth in the terms of the employment can be comprised. The mechanical engineering provide a broad foundation in all the aspects of mechanical design, mechanics, power, control and manufacturing. The scope to the mechanical engineering. What is the scope of the mechatronics? The scope of the mechatronics is very important. The mechanical engineering work to design and develop, build and test the mechanical sensors and devices. In the robot field, the mechanical engineer will be the charge of the physical makeup of the robot. The mechatronics engineer emphasizes the design of electromechanical device ranging from large-scale automated manufacturing system to micro-scale sensors and instruments. So this is all about the introduction of the mechatronics, and one by one we are proceeding your unit number 1, that is the introduction of mechatronics. So thank you.